Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new to this channel, you are watching Munzar's Kitchen and I make cooking videos. So today, before we start with our cooking video, I have some work to visit a store to check out some stuff. Actually, my younger brother, my younger sister, um, we are three siblings in our family, and we have contributed some amount to give a small gift to our parents. So I was thinking to go to the store to check out the gifts. So guys, I would like to take you along with me, and if in case we get the gift that we wanted for our parents, then we will deliver it. We will be delivering it at my parents' place by today itself. So in that case, I will get some chance to go and visit my parents and have some fun time with my family members. So please come along with me and let's go together and check out the gift. And for those who are new to this channel and yet to subscribe, if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and help me grow and let us grow together. So guys, let's go together and check out the stuffs. So please come along with me.
나보다 안 벗어다. 무슨 말? 그렇지.
We have reached home and the gift. This is the gift. Say hi. Hậu súng mà hay đâm mà. Here hi. À em là hi.
비디오 되는 거야. 이렇게 장시 사진을 봐. 이거 뭐 짜세요, 뭐.
Buscasse banana da ata.
Hi.